Let's talk about love and relationships. The biggest scam is love at first sight. It is just an animal instinct that is being triggered inside you. Many people are in love with the feelings a certain person can trigger inside them by using few words. So you are not in love with that person, but you are in love with the feelings that are being triggered inside you. That's why these playboys get girls quite easily, because they are quite expert in triggering these feelings inside the other person. And then you build relationships on basis of this hollow feeling and you give it a name, love. There are two ways by which this feeling is generated. One is animal instinct, another is human instinct. Under animal instinct, there come two subcategories. One is reproduction and another is survival. Sometimes you look at someone with a good physique and you get attracted to them and you call it love. It is just that your body and psychology has accepted them that they are quite suitable for the reproduction. Then another one, survival. You look at someone's wealth and you find attracted to them because your body and psychology feels that it would be comforting and easy to survive or to live with that person. Love feeling generated by the animal instincts is hollow, and if you build relationship on the basis of this, it won't last long, and at the end, you will end up with fights and breakup. Feeling generated by human instinct contain 4 subcategories: trust, PIP, VAKs, and psychodynamic resonance. So trust factor and psychodynamic resonance can only be built when you give proper time to a relationship. It doesn't happen in one day. PIP are the pre-installed psychological needs and VAK are the personality types: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and audio digital. When you have matched up all the criteria, then yes, you can say your vibes match. Yes, you are a good companion for each other. And yes, now you are in true love with each other. When you have matched all these criteria with your partner, now your vibe and tribe both match. And with time, the love feeling will generate automatically. The bond formed by the feeling generated by human instinct cannot be broken at any cost. So don't just run behind the feelings. Look for a good companion, because these feelings are just animal instinct. They will develop inside you with duration of time when your vibes and tribes both match. You might have heard many girls saying, I don't have feelings for you. Our vibes don't match. Just by looking at your face, without even considering the criteria that I mentioned. Brother, that directly concludes you don't fit in their animal instinct. And it's better to stay away from them, because anyways, relationship built on just animal instinct is not sustainable. Make sure you check the captions, because I have few details over there, and also the comment section is open. Let's have a healthy discussion over this topic. See you later.